Hello guys, it's Purple Power here, and today I'm playing Escape the Pizzaria obby, and I'm a visitor. Yeah, I'm just a visitor. I don't work here. So this is whoa, it looks crazy. Okay, this is start. The chef is making crazy human pizzas. Let's escape. Okay, I love obbies, and I'm sort of good at them. Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm bad. Oh, where do I go? No, I can't sit down. Oh, I think you have to go like, oh, I might need to move in. On the couches. Okay. What next? Oh, these are deadly. That's creepy. Is that all we get to hear? It's like, ooh. That's all you hear. Ooh. All you hear is, ooh. People just hurting themselves. Ooh. What? Where do I? A giant kitchen. Avoid the hot grills. What? What one do I go in? Oh. Oh, I just heard it sizzle. How? Oh, these ones. Oh, I thought these were the. Oh, those ones are. Oh, they're sort of make. No! You. Oh, you have to jump on that. Okay, let's try again. Oh, no, don't walk backwards. Oh, wait, I can just walk. What? Oh, come on. I walked straight onto that. This is hard. Oh, that might be a better idea. Oh, I can't reach. Oh, let me up on here. What? What? You've got to go on that to get around. Okay, let's try again. Every time I die, it goes ding, ding. Every time someone else dies, it goes ooh. I can just hear ooh in the background. Like, ooh, ooh. Oh, someone just died behind me. Ooh. Their body parts are everywhere. To this one. I got a past. Oh no, when I step on one of those, that's when it goes dun. Oh, I just got chopped in half. Well, this is so hard. It's like a really hard obby. I haven't done an obby in so long. Once I got to all the way to the top of this really big obby, it was crazy. Ugh. It's all I can hear. And because people keep stepping on those things. Haha, person. You're just waiting to get across. What? I did not touch that. Oh, that. Now he's like, oh, I made it past. He made it. He made it past. Oh, no, he's right behind me. Oh, wait, what? 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 Oh, guys, I wanted to tell you, that, oh, I'm learning how to speak Indonesian, and, well, I'll teach you a bit. So, to count to 10, it's satu, dua, tiga, empat, lima, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was up to 5. And then enam, tujuh, delapan, sembilan, sepuluh. And 10's like sepuluh, not Sapulu. It's supulu. Like supulu. Supulu. So supulu. Sapulu. 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 Yeah, sapulu. Okay, I finally got past that, which is great because I hated it. Don't step on the boiling hot water. That might be a good idea. I'm sorry guys if I'm really quiet, but I'm using a headset for like the first time on here, so I'm like, I have no idea how to use it. Like, I really have no idea. Well, I'm guessing we're stepping on these like bomb things, which is really creepy. What? There is no way up. You have to like, oh no, not get burnt. I'm sorry guys if this is like gonna be a really short video because I'm using like Screen-O-Matic and it only lets you like make a video for 15 minutes. So it may be a short video. But soon I'll be getting it so I can do it for as long as I want, like film. So you guys look forward to that, and I'll be filming longer videos. So these are like really hard to know when you have to stop because you only have a 15-minute timer. There's only like 5 people playing, and I seem to always be account something that like last account on there or like the third account, which is really weird. How did that guy get up there? No, this is so hard. This is just a great obby. Everyone should love this obby, and it is amazing. Which is just like so amazing. Oh yeah, it is amazing. No! Oh my god. No. Sorry, Nuara Rainhana. There you go. I said your name on YouTube, so thank me. And guys, Kara's1937 AJ, awesome! You're playing this game with me. Angelexia, Axoia, Ram555, Trollrag, me, Harry Padboy, Nara Rihanna, Anna. Yeah, we're all playing this together. So you're all gonna be in my YouTube video. Hello guys. They don't know that I'm like filming a YouTube video and they're in it. Like, I've been in a YouTuber's video once before I started YouTube, and I was like going crazy. Like, I knew it was a YouTuber because I'd watched it before. And my sister knew as well, and it was just like so crazy. Like, I was on a video with a YouTuber, but like she didn't. I didn't really. I wasn't with her like talking. Okay, guys. So this is really hard, and I need your help. Comment down below if you play Roblox. And I will be doing shout outs when I get some comments. That's why I haven't done any shout outs yet. But I'm giving like these guys on this game a shout out. Because like this is an old game that no one really plays. So I'll just say who's playing it with me. It probably don't make sense. But yes. Oh, what do I do? Oh. No. Oh, damn it. Oh my golly gosh. Oh my golly gosh. OMGG. Oh my golly gosh. This is crazy. Okay, this is crazy. I need to find another way out of here. I can't do it. I just can't. I don't want to do it. I'm not going to do it. No. It's so hard. But I'm gonna keep trying. Because you could always succeed on these things. All I'm hearing is sizzling. And it's like really scary. Like scary sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle. Where do I go at the end of this? Like, I think you just like die. Oh. Okay. I'm dying here. Can you guys comment down below and if there are any tips on getting past this? Because I've been stuck in here for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's like so hard to get past. Like everything else is pretty easy. But then you see that you have this to try get past. And you're like, no, I should never have done. Well, maybe I should try get up that way, but it will never work. But, well, it might one day. Okay, guys, I'm going backwards. If you think what I'm doing is a bad idea, comment down below. Because I'm just gonna do like a double lobby because this is taking. Okay, I'm gonna start from here and go again. And maybe I'll be able to do it. Okay. Go past here, onto that, over here, on that. No! How is someone on 22? Kara's 1937 AG. I can't believe you're on level 22. I think it just lagged then because it all just froze. Please just let me get past this. Okay. This is so hard. Okay. Oh well. Well, that is basically the end of our video today, guys. Thank you for watching the Purple Paris Star. And make sure to like, subscribe, comment. I love hearing your feedback. And make sure to turn on those notifications. So hit that bell down there right now. Give you some time. Okay. Thank you guys if you did that. If you put your name, if you comment, if some tips on this, you guys may get a shout out. So comment. Bye. Peace out.